So someone was cutting a tree and one of the nests had fell and one of the eggs had broke. This one is okay. So yeah, as overdevelopment happens, billionaires keep taking over all the land. These birds are gonna have nowhere to go, and that's how many of them are going extinct, because their eggs and stuff are being destroyed. I mean, it's just sitting in the ground here. A predator will eat this up. And just to show you how clever these birds are, just look how they built their nest. They use tree branches, the plastic bags, and that thing, and they got a branch wrapped around it. I mean, just look how clever they are, making use of things here. And I mean, the plastic's no good for the environment, but yeah, this is how they make a nest. Not only them lizards will be hurt, all this going on, but look, it's a nesting bird. It's gonna have babies, eggs, lay eggs and stuff.